Gradient meshes make a fantastic base for creating exciting and trendy abstract artworks and designs. And when you work methodically, you can easily develop even rather complex compositions with beautiful color transitions and elaborate organic distortions. Hey guys, my name is Evgenia Regini-Brand. I am a graphic designer at Attitude Creative, and experimenting with gradient-based designs in Adobe Illustrator has been one of my favorite creative playgrounds for years. And in this class, I'm excited to share with you my complete process of creating exciting, vibrant, abstract gradient artworks. Following this class, you will be able to create your own sophisticated abstract gradient artworks by gaining an understanding of what goes into creating this type of work, how you can split the process into clear, manageable steps, and how you can use a range of Adobe Illustrator's tools to develop your meshes into captivating designs. In this class, I will step-by-step guide you through all of the stages, including developing the structure of distortions with smooth, controllable shapes in the mesh, creating exciting, vibrant color transitions and refining the composition, integrating solid graphic elements into the mesh to elevate the work, give it more dimension, and add a personal stylistic touch. And I will finish it off with tips for enhancing your work and saving it for print and digital use. If you're a designer, illustrator, or an artist who loves the look of abstract, organic, colorful artworks and would like to create your own to use in digital or print projects, to sell as art prints, or to decorate a physical space, or create digital wallpapers, this is the class for you. While the step-by-step nature of this class will allow you to follow the process regardless of your level, for the best experience, you will need to know your way around Adobe Illustrator and have some understanding of the principles of creating vector artworks and working with the colors and gradients in the digital environment. I am super excited to let you in on how I create my abstract mesh-based designs and cannot wait to see what this class inspires you to create. So join me in this class and let's make something awesome!